What's up, everyone? Let's get started. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the product called Dear ERP. Dear ERP is a Odoo AI assistant and AI co-pilot. This is not just like a chat GPT wherein you put in the question and it's going to give you the answer. It's not like that. This is going to interact with your Odoo instance and do the stuff for you. If you ask something, it's going to give you the answer about that Odoo instance. Not only that, it's going to do the tasks for you. So let me demonstrate. Just now I have connected to this instance. I can click on this Open Odoo. You can see this is the new instance. I have done nothing on it. So let me do one thing. Let me type in. I'm gonna switch off this read-only mode. So read-only mode is for just to get the information. When you turn it off, it's gonna connect and do the execute the stuff which you're going to put in. So I'm asking, please go ahead and install sales, CRM, and purchase modules. It's going to take some time because now it's going to connect. Just like as I told you, it's not like the chat GPT that just gives you the information. This connects to your Odoo instance and it will execute the request which you have asked. Now it is trying to go ahead and install the sales, CRM, and purchase modules. Let's wait for some time. I already connected the Odoo instance. For connecting your Odoo instance, for performing this kind of task, you need the admin rights. You just submit your the Odoo URL and the database name and the username and password. And by using that, it's going to connect. Basically, it will connect to your Odoo instance and it will start installing. Let me see if it did anything. Now you can see it installed the CRM, sales, and purchase modules. The invoicing is also required for sales and purchase. You can see all the required modules has been installed, and I already got the reply here. Perfect. All the three modules has been successfully installed and verified. You can see sales and CRM and purchase has been installed. So now I can do more than that. It's just not like the installation. Let's say, let me do something. Let me open up the sales. Let's go to the products. I don't see any products, right? So what I can do is basically I can ask uh, create some sample products in sales app, uh, like five products. You do not need to completely explain in a sentence. You can use your Butler English or just the uh, normal English. It will dissect your question and it's going to execute the task. This chat is context aware. That means you can ask the follow-up questions, not just like one question and one answer. You can even ask, like, for example, what modules have you installed, and can you uninstall the modules that you have installed previously? So that kind of questions also you can do. Now it has done some, it is saying that, sample products created successfully, wireless Bluetooth and this stuff. Let's see if we have any products here. Let me refresh the screen. Now you can see the five products has been uh, created. So these are the products created. Now what we can do is basically I can create a new sales order, like the quotation. So I can select someone and I can select some product and the confirm it. So this is the sales order I have created. But for example, let's say you want an extra field here, that you want something like is is the payment confirmed, like that. So let's say, let me ask uh, Dear ERP to add an extra field. Great. Can you please uh, add a custom field in sales order in sale order called is payment confirmed. Now it is connecting to the instance and it's understanding your query. So guys, this is not like as I like already mentioned, this is not like getting the chat GPT wherein you can give the information and get the information. This is basically execute the tasks for you. Not only that, you can literally implement most of the features. I'm not telling you like the you can create the custom modules and all like not like that, but you can literally create the buttons and you can ask it to do some automated tasks, create the automated tasks, create some server actions. Or if you are too technical, you can do literally everything. All customizations you can do here. You can try out. Like we have a plan of like a starter plan of $29. You can just subscribe to that and see how it goes. This base, if you are a business owner, you can ask questions like how many sales order do you have? Like what are all the outstanding invoices? So can you project like, who is the best salesperson? Can you calculate the conversion rate of the salesperson? So that's the business owner perspective. If you're an accountant, you can ask like, how is the reconciliation going on in my accounting? Do you find any mistakes? What is the P&L? You can ask it to create the bills. You can ask it to reconcile all the transactions for you, one one at a time or like few at a time. You can do it just by asking. Not only that, that's a business owner and the accounting perspective. Let's say you are from a technical background. Let's say you are a functional consultant or a developer. You can ask this, create a custom field or install these modules, configure this and configure that. You can ask these kind of questions. It will go ahead and do it for you. So, for example, let's say what happens it doesn't do. Well, you can follow up. You can ask one more question. So I asked you to do this, you did not do it. Can you go ahead and rectify it? It will go ahead and do it. So mostly in my experience, what I have seen is it will try to do in one shot. If not, like you can do the follow-up questions, like mostly in 2 to 3 follow-up questions, it will execute. But in some cases, if it doesn't work, you can try changing your prompt and ask it in a better way. It will go ahead and do that for you. Basically all the customizations are possible because if you're a technical guy, it can do the views, it can do the server actions, it can do the automated actions, it can create email templates for you, you can create a lot of things for you. Let me see if it created anything. Let me refresh the screen. Is it still processing? It's still processing. Let me refresh here also. Now you can see is payment confirmed. It's still processing. I mean, while it's still doing the stuff, you can see there is payment confirmed. It also figured out it's a Boolean field because I asked is payment confirmed. That sounds like a Boolean field, right? So it is doing some touch-ups and all. Yeah, it has given you it has created the custom field. This is the custom field name, and this is the Boolean checkbox, the form view, and all that stuff. So it has done all the stuff for you. So basically. Uh, It is useful for business owners, accountants, or anyone who is using Odoo. And not only that, it is useful for the functional consultants. For example, if you are not much aware of some of the features, you can ask it suggestions. It may give you one or two suggestions. You can just go ahead and check. You can configure Odoo. You can install modules, uninstall modules from the functional consultant perspective. In a developer perspective, you can do all kinds of customizations. And one more thing, if you are an agency that you are running a Odoo business, what's the benefit of it? Benefit is you can speed up your tasks. For example, the 10 employees are working on 10 projects. You can literally do 20 projects now with the same number of employees, same number of developers, and same number of functional consultants. This is going to help you in the productivity. Hope you guys like this product. You can this works on credit based system. You can see here. You can check out our billing page and subscribe to the plan whichever suits for you. All right, we will always be available. You can raise a support request if you have any questions. Thank you, guys.